I'm Gertrude J. Chapman, President and CEO of Turning Point Enrichment Incorporation, where we provide digital book coaching for women 50 and over who want to supplement their income, teaching them how to become successful by writing their book from their knowledge and experience to generate revenue. And I'm going to tell you, we were blessed to have our business uninterrupted during this pandemic because we were in the right position to sell our products. Jobs are not loyal, they're just not. Have you ever felt like you were just a number? Mine suddenly happened in 2005 during the housing crisis. I was just a number. And when you're just a number, you could be eliminated at any time. I found that out the hard way. It happened to me twice, back to back. Much like many women who have suffered during this pandemic, you know, suddenly you find yourself on the other side. Let me tell you something. There is more money in what you know than in what you do. And I'm going to let that sit there for a while because you have to realize you are worth more than you realize. Think about it. Think about that. Remember, this is your time. This is your season. This is your turning point.